Here I have taken two data, two types. In the first type, if you watch carefully, see the upper limit of the previous class and the lower limit of the following class are equal. Here also. In the second type, the upper class limit of the previous class and the lower class limit of the following class are not equal.
This is our question, on the basis of which we will draw the histogram.
We have rewritten the data vertically as it is shown here. Here we can see that the upper class limit of one class is different from lower class limit of the immediate next class. But we have to make them equal with the help of the adjustment factor. We have taken out the adjustment factor this way. I have shown here two examples, but for every class the adjustment factor will be the same. Finally, we have to subtract this adjustment factor from each and every lower class limit and add the same to each and every upper class limit. Therefore, we will have the final class intervals like this. In the second problem, we have got our class limits as 24.5, 29.5, 34.5, etc. as you can see. So along the x axis we have to be little tricky. Along the x axis we will measure the class interval. So let's first draw the x axis. Let this be x axis, and along the x axis we will measure class interval. I am writing here class interval. Class interval will increase in this direction, and along the y axis we will measure frequency. We won't have any problem along y axis because the observation along y axis are very simple. Every small division along y axis will be taken as 1 unit. I am writing at the top, this is y axis, and along the y axis we will measure the frequencies. By one arrow we will show the direction in which it increases. At the top I am writing here, along y axis every 2 millimeter measures 1 unit. Therefore, every 5 division is 5, 10 division is 10, unlike the previous sum 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Our maximum observation along y axis is 23. So, we will stop at 25. This will be 23. We won't have to move any more. But along the x axis our observation starts from 24.5. How will you measure 24.5? To do that we will start from here, that will be our 24.5, or you could start from here. I am leaving little more space. I am starting from here, that is 24.5. Therefore 24.5, next is 5 units difference, 29.5, 34.5, 39.5, you can move. But what about this part? If this is 24.5, then what about this part? Actually we will be pretending to hide this part by showing this symbol 39.5 and so on. Look, this is our division 24.5, 29.5, 34.5, 39.5 and so on. This is also shown for that hidden part. If this be the part of x axis, only two slanted lines, this is equivalent to that part. As we are starting from 24.5, now from 24.5 to 29.5 is 5. So, we will move up to this side. This is our first bar. This is my first bar. 29.5 to 34.5, here it is 15. So, we will move up to this 15. Draw the straight lines. Draw all the straight lines by using the ruler only. Don't draw free handed. This is the second bar. Like this. So, similarly we can draw the all the bars. Let's do. See, this is the entire histogram. Here again you can fill in the different parts by different colors. I am showing you how would it look like.